Welcome to the Learner's Mania. Today we are going to learn how to balance chemical equations, how to make ionic equations basically. Okay, so you have to follow some steps to do that. Now, the first step is balance the chemical equation by using the suitable coefficient. Now, how to balance the chemical equations, I have already discussed it in a detailed video which I have also uploaded on YouTube. Okay, so you can go on YouTube and watch that video to clear your concept and to learn how you can balance the chemical equations. Okay, now number two, write down the state symbols of the each component of the equation. Okay, means if you are given with sodium carbonate, you have to write the symbol of sodium NaCO3. Okay, like this. Okay, now, next, convert the aqueous solution into ions. Means write down positive, negative on aqueous solutions. How to write this? I'm gonna tell you in the by giving examples. Okay, so don't worry. Do not ionize the solids. Means do not mention positive negative charges on solids, liquids and gases. Okay, cancel out the spectator ions. What is the spectator ion? The same ions on the both side of the equation. Okay, I'm going to show, don't worry, and rewrite the ionic equation. Okay, these are the some rules which you have to follow and you will be able to balance to form the ionic equations. Okay, these some are the rules, tips, okay, which you have to follow. Okay, now here, if you are given like this and you're asked to make the ionic equation, now what is the first step? The first step is to balance the chemical equation. Okay, so it is already balanced. Okay, here one silver, one nitrate, and here we have potassium. Okay, it is already balanced. Okay, now the second step is to write down the state symbol. Here we are given already in the symbols. This equation is already in symbols. Okay, there is no need to write further symbols and there are no further symbols. Okay, convert the aqueous solutions into ions. How many? This is aqueous, this is aqueous and this is aqueous. Okay, so convert this +1 -1. Okay, let me change the +1 -1 +1 -1 and +1 and -1. This cannot be, okay, because it is solid and we have studied that do not ionize solids, liquid and gases. Now spectator ions. Spectator ions mean the same ions on both sides of the equation. This is the one side and this is the other side. Okay, now spectator ions, here we have K and K, cancel out. Here we have nitrate and nitrate, cancel them out. Okay, now we have leftover Ag over here and plus Cl -1 +1 goes to on this side. What we have now? AgCl, this one, this which is in solid form, AgCl. Okay, this is what, this is your ionic equation. Okay, this is in solid form and these both were in aqueous. Okay, so write it like this. Now moving towards another example which is over here. Now firstly you should have to balance, and to balance this, multiply it by 2 and multiply it by 2 as well. Okay, now this equation is you can say this equation is now balanced. Okay, now what are you going to do? You have to do like this. First step is completed. You have to balance the chemical equation. Okay, and now you have to write down the state symbol which are already over there. Convert the aqueous solution into ions, +2 and -1. Here we have +1 -2 and here we have plus 1 and negative 1. Now cancel out, this cannot be ionized because it is in solid form. Now cancel out sodium with sodium, okay, and nitrate with nitrate, okay. Now what we have left over, Mg plus 2 plus CO3 negative 2 goes to what we have left, MgCO3. Okay. This is how you have to proceed. It is aqueous and it is in solid form, as you know very well, okay. And now here you have the third type. This is the third type. If you are given with this type of equation, what you are going to do, you have to do silver nitrate. What is the state symbol? Silver nitrate, AgNO3. To make this, you should have to know how to make a chemical formula, and for that I have already uploaded a video on YouTube, so watch that to learn how to make chemical formula, okay. So a silver nitrate plus potassium mean KCl, okay. It is in aqueous, it is already mentioned over here, and it is in aqueous, already mentioned, goes to silver chloride, AgCl, it is in solid, okay, and potassium nitrate, KNO3, okay, and it is in aqueous. So it is same like as this one, okay. Now ionize these aqueous, it cannot be ionized because it is in solid, plus 1 negative 1, okay. Cancel out the spectator ions, it is already balanced. Cancel out the spectator ions, it cannot be cancelled, sorry, because it is not on the both side. If it is not on the both side, it can't be considered as spectator ion. So here we have nitrate on each side, okay. We have K on each side, okay. Now what we have left over, Ag plus 1 plus Cl negative 1 goes to AgCl. It is in aqueous and it is in solid form. So this is how you have to balance, make ionic equations, okay. So thanks.